All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, the 18th. Right now, we're just looking at the, wow, the Dow's going to have a pretty strong opening. Right now, it looks like this Dow's going to open about 600 higher. Wow, amazing. All right, let's see if we have anything set up right now. Actually, I do. I am getting a short on natural gas, so let's take a look at natural gas real quick. Let's see. Natural gas, natural gas, natural gas. Okay, we got a short right here on natural gas. Let's get a profit target here. Okay, profit target natural gas. Gonna bring us down to 58.95. 58.95. $58.95. Okay, 58.95 is our profit target on this natural gas. If we don't hit our target and we need to reverse, I'm not going to reverse until we get up here till the 60.45. So we'll put that alert in, 60.45. Also have a short in crude oil right now. Also getting a short on the crude. All right, let's get a target on crude. All right, looks like we're gonna be all right. This will bring us down to 83.25. 83.25 is my target on crude. All right, so natural gas short, crude oil short. All right, let's see. I don't see anything in the indices. I don't have anything in nothing in the Euro US. Nothing on our well, no. I am getting a buy on Apple. I am getting a buy on Apple. And I'm going to project a 145.63. 145.63 on Apple. All right, so profit target on Apple 145.63. And wouldn't get out unless we came down here to 144.13. So we'll hold Apple. If we don't hit our target and we need to reverse, it'll reverse at 144.13, or you want to just get out. All right, so we're short natural gas, we're short crude. You got your buy on your Apple. Nothing on the Euro US. All right, so if you're joining us for the first time on YouTube and our Facebook, thank you. Right now, we are demonstrating a couple of our techniques that we use in our trading. We don't use indicators. Everything we do is pattern based. Now, I will be using a couple techniques here this morning on RTY and NQ, our two indices, which is going to be the mini Russell and also the mini NASDAQ. I'm going to be using something we call Einstein. It's a mathematical formula in combination with a pattern, several patterns. What that does is that provides us with exact entries, profit targets, and or reversals. We stay into a trade till either one is hit. With the Euro US, we will be using something that we call our core strategy. It is a combination of, actually it's 5 different patterns that we look for, and that's going to be a little bit more time sensitive, and since once we enter a trade we don't hold it anything longer than 5 minutes and then we get out. So we use a couple different techniques here, Einstein and using one of our 5 core patterns. And so right now, the only thing I have on now is with Einstein, we are short the natural gas. We have a short on the crude oil. And it also has a buy on Apple. So now we wait till either our profit target is hit and or reversal. So waiting to see. Looks like these indices are going to be really strong this morning. Wow. Just amazingly strong. Glenn, you've never owned an Apple? I'm not an Apple guy, but I do have an Apple tablet. I do like that Apple tablet. But I'm an Android guy when it comes to that. All right, so we should wait. We're still short. I'm just gonna hang on to these few trades here. Once again, with Einstein, we will stay to either we hit our profit target, and if we don't hit profit target and we hit reversal, we'll go ahead and reverse, and then Einstein will provide us with a new target in the opposite direction. And my computer today is really running slow. It's taken a long time for me to get my charts refreshed. All right. Probably have too much open. All right. If we pull back a little bit further on this natural gas, I'm going to add another short. Still short crude. Still have your buy on Apple. I don't see any kind of news in here that's going to cause us to have any high volatility this morning, so just curious why this Dow is up so strong. Oh yeah, remember the black and yeah, we're talking about conversation going on about way back, I think it was in the 80s. Profit target hit. All right, well, first of all, crude oil hit target. So that means we get out of that. Wow, that just took off. Talking about back in the days, man, when the computers first came out, and monitors were black and white. Black and white. And I think, wasn't it green? Weren't the print all green or something? Was that after the... Yeah. It was weird, man. Goes back a long ways. Come a long way since then. I think the first commercial computer came out back in 70s, 76 or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add on to this natural gas up here. This is a real good point to enter another short on this natural gas. My less risk, bigger target. Still looking at 58.95 natural gas. Let's take a quick peek at the Dow real quick this morning. Let's see what that looks like here. Still get this gap down here. Way down here. So we had some, obviously we had some price gaps that were filled a few days ago. I'd be surprised if we really went much higher. It could open up and sell off. Let me take a look and see what we have for the day here. I'm going to look at our scan. What we do is we take one of our patterns and we apply it to 12,000 different stocks. And based on what we see here, it usually gives us some indication of what we can expect for the day. So I'm going to look at my scan. We are going to be releasing this scan to anybody that wants it here. Probably within the next several weeks. But right now, I mean, it was yesterday, had a 73% probability of being an up day. But here's what's interesting. We've got almost a 78% probability of today being a down day. Isn't that interesting? So, now once again, in terms of overall predictability, we usually somewhere, right now we're running around 65% in terms of its ability to predict what the overall Dow is going to do, or the indices. Still way above average, and it's showing that it's going to be a down day. So once again, it's just a probability. So, but that's what we're seeing. Quite a few stocks here are short or looking for sales today. All right. So if this would be something you'd be interested in, like I said, we are going to offer it free for a while. We're going to provide it. And we have about, let me take a look here. Let me go back and look at that scan. Yeah, we have about 40 stocks. Out of the 12,000 stocks, we have about 40 stocks that have setups. Yeah, about 10 of them are up and the other 30 are down. So, with those kind of percentages, we have about a 60, once again, overall about a 65% probability of the market being down. All right. But these are individual stocks. So even though the overall market could be down or overall market could be up, I mean, still, we do have some stocks that are up, and we still have some stocks that are down. So you could actually have an accurate prediction on an individual stock, and the indice can still be up, even though an individual stock could end up down for the day. So, all right, let's see what we have here. We'll get back and see if we have any setups. All right, it was still short natural gas. I did add to that on that pullback. We're getting close to possible reversal at 60.45. Well, it's still short. Apple's still long. Not seeing anything in the currencies. Yeah, Glenn, remember so Glenn, my moderator on YouTube, is mentioning first computer. Yeah, the IBM, I think, was the first. Wasn't that the first personal computer?
Reverse buy.
And I think it was called Osborne. Okay, we're reversing on natural gas. Now this is going to be an HF1. This is a strong buy, so I'm going to reverse. Yeah, let's get a target on this. So this is going to be an HF1 buy on natural gas. Okay, target on natural gas is going to bring me up to 60.95, 60.95. So just as a reminder, reversals, we usually hit target between 72 and 80%. But we are going to have our reversals, and that's what we're seeing here on natural gas. But this is a strong pattern. It's called HF1. That prior short was an HF2. HF1s are stronger. That's going to bring us up to 60.95. Reversal 59.45. Okay, long natural gas, still long Apple. Apple's starting to move up the target, 145.63 target on that Apple. Already out of our short crude. All right, once again, expecting a much higher opening. We've got a couple minutes to go here. Less than a minute, less than a couple minutes. About a minute. I'm probably gonna see 500 to 600 higher on the opening on this still. So it could get a little crazy here on the opening, so we'll see what we have here. We could have several trades trigger at the same time, watching RTY, which is the mini Russell, watching NQ, mini NASDAQ. Probably see gold pop up. There she goes, up 600. Dow's up 600, 608. Apple hit target. God, it's crazy. Look at that thing go. Profit target hit. Once again, we are, our scan is predicting a down day on the Dow. It's got a long ways to go if it's going to come down. So we'll see. But we could have some really nice short opportunities. I like this volatility. All right, so hanging tight on natural gas, still long natural gas. Could get a pullback. Watching Microsoft. So we got a couple things going on in Microsoft. So if Microsoft comes up to 244.10, that's going to be a nice HF1 buy. 244.10. So I'm just going to watch that. But right now I'm looking for a pullback down to 242.60. All right, 242.60. So we'll just watch that. 242.60. Home Depot's in a buy right now, but sorry guys, I missed it. It's too late. Too late on Home Depot. But once again, once we teach you Einstein, you know exactly how to do this. I always suggest don't trade more than 2 markets at any time. You don't need to trade a ton of stocks. Stick to one stock you like, stick with it. Or an indice. I prefer trading indices, the overall market anyway. So, or I stick with one indice. You can do the E-mini S&P, you can do the mini Dow. I mean, it's up to you. You can do mini Russell, you can do the mini NASDAQ. And commodities, usually one commodity. I like gold and natural gas, my 2 favorites. Let's see, Microsoft may hit this 242.60 pullback. And it did, so that is no longer a buy up there. It was up 604, just kind of bouncing around. Wow, look at that. Look at that opening. Big price gap. All right, so now we have this gap to be filled up, right? Are we going to do it today? Hey, could possibly fill it up today. All right, so we're still hanging on. Natural gas, that was an HF1 buy. Natural gas, nothing on Apple anymore. Apple hit target. Microsoft hit its pullback, so we'll see if we can get a buy on Microsoft. Home Depot hit its target. That was all moving pretty fast there. Nothing on GM, but possible pullback coming up on GM. All right, so let's take a look at where am I on my overnight trades. Let's look at my overnight trades. Once again, these trades we put on the night before, and I do send out an email with these trades every night. We put them on, and we just pretty much set and forget. Once they're on, we just let them go until the end of the following day. And let's take a look here. Right now, it's not looking too good, but we've got a lot of time here. I am coming in short natural gas, coming in short on the euro pound, and coming in short on the mini NASDAQ. So right now, they are all going against me. But we just hold on to them, let them go. We've got a good track record on these dailies. I like them because they're kind of a nice addition to our short-term trading. 90% of what I do is very short term. I don't like to hold a trade longer than 5 minutes is a long time for me. So I am very much going to be a short term trader. But if you're the type of trader that likes to just put on a trade and let it go and don't have time to watch the market, these dailies are really nice. And they do have a really nice track record. So if you like to see how they've done, go to innovativetradingstrategies.com. You'll see a link there. Just click on that, and you can look at those daily. For the last 2 years, we post those every day, send them out at night. All right, what's this Home Depot? Home Depot's setting up another buy here on Home Depot. All right, Home Depot is a buy. And it's going to be 290.39, 290.39. Let me take that back. That's not right. It's going to be, let's see, 289.89. That sounds better. 289.89. It's getting close to target. I can't even get the alert in. 289.89. There we go. Okay, looking for Home Depot. Hit our profit target of 289.89. Wouldn't reverse unless we hit 288.90. I'm sorry. 288.40. 288.40. Natural gas getting close with hitting its target. Real close. Got to buy on Home Depot. Trying to hit target of 289.89. So the nice thing about trading patterns, it's a lot easier to trade because really there's no guesswork. I mean, once everything lines up, it's either a buy or it's not a buy or a sell. So it's very clear. There's no not waiting for tons of indicators to line up. Plus, indicators are just not a very successful way of trading with indicators. They're all lagging. Patterns are pretty much black and white in terms of entry. So it takes a lot of that stress out of trading. And these patterns have been good for the last 35 years. I know what their probabilities are. And trading is really all about probabilities. So it's all about controlling your size of your positions and just trading the probabilities. All right, so we're still long Home Depot, looking for that to pop up. Still long natural gas. Got a short on gold. Now this gold, it could be a nice little short here because there's not much of a risk. So we've got a short on the gold. Let's get a target on this gold. Gotta hurry because we may get triggered here on RTY short. All right, gold. I can see gold coming down to 1652. But the reverse or the stop is going to be pretty tight here, 1664. We're sitting at 60 right now. All right, I'm watching RTY, possible short. Nothing on the mini NASDAQ yet. Once again, RTY is your mini Russell. Short gold now. Still long natural gas. Really got right close to target. My alert did not go off, so I don't assume it didn't hit target yet. Got to buy in Microsoft. Let's take a look at Microsoft. Got to buy in Microsoft. Targets 242.10. And 240.60 would be reversal on the Microsoft. Or get out, 240.60. Tell you what, I'm going to put it at 240.59, right below that. $240.59. 242.10 target on Microsoft. That's a 573.
Reverse sell.
Home Depot reversed and went short. Target on Home Depot, and it's moving fast. And already hit it. Brought it down to that 287.89. Oh, wow. RTY just went short. It's moving fast. Watching possible short coming up on the mini NASDAQ. Target on RTY if I can get it here. Gonna bring you down to 1779. 1779. $17.79 target. And if we don't hit target, I'll reverse if it comes all the way up to 17.94. Microsoft still in a buy. 242.10 target on Microsoft. Nothing on GM. Not seeing anything on Home Depot. Nothing on Apple. Nothing on our Euro US. Already out of crude. Long natural gas. Short gold. Short RTY, which is your mini Russell. That was a 501. Okay, Glenn is asking if I've ever traded 20 minutes on Nadex, and the answer is yes. I used to do a lot in the E-mini. And yes, you can use the patterns for the 20 minutes. But yeah, I used to do a lot of 20-minute trading. But I don't like, the only reason I don't trade 20 minutes is I prefer to have more opportunities. So I like to trade a much shorter time frame. All right, so we're still short gold, long natural gas. You got your short going on your mini Russell, RTY. Looks like Home Depot may want to pull back here. I can see Home Depot coming back down to 287.40, which is kind of marked at 287.40. So Home Depot, could you pull back 287.40? Watching Microsoft. Microsoft maybe flipping and going short 240.59. If you like to be a short seller, setting up for an HF1 short. So that's an HF1 short on Microsoft. So let's see if we can get some targets there. Target will bring it down to 240.10. I'll do it right below that, 240.09. And I'd get out at, if you want to take a short, I'd get out and or buy and 241.60. All right, the mini Russell is getting close to target.
Profit target hit. Profit target hit.
So we did hit profit target on the mini Russell. Still short gold, still long natural gas. Looking for Microsoft to pull back to the 240.09. Looks like Home Depot hit its target. We're getting a short on NQ, but it's too late. Mini NASDAQ did get triggered short, but it hasn't hit its target, so let's just get a target real quick here. I do the best I can to keep up with all these. Once again, there's no way you can trade all these. Stick with one or two that you like, particularly when you're trading Einstein, because it can particularly. I never recommend trading two indices at a time because they can usually they're all hit at the same time. It's very hard to keep up with them. Okay, 112.95 would be my target on the mini Nasdaq. 112.95. I'll put the alert in anyway. 112.95. There we go. All right, well, it hasn't hit target, and this is entry. So let's see if we can get a short off on this mini NASDAQ. It's going to give us another opportunity. All right, mini NASDAQ is short right here. Okay, so 12.95 is target. Let's take a look at reversal. Okay, reversal on that the mini NASDAQ. Bring me up to 114.07 and a half. 114.07 and a half. All right, so we're short gold, and we're short
Profit target hit.
mini NASDAQ.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on Microsoft in the pullback. RTY already hit its targets out of RTY. Still short the mini NASDAQ, getting close to target. Still short gold.
Profit target hit.
All right, so many NASDAQ hit its target. Still short gold, long natural gas. All right, so we're coming up to the top of the hour. Once again, first hour is open to everybody. And then after that, we move into our live chat room for subscribers and continue on. If you'd like more information, please visit my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, and or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. So as we approach the top of the hour, the couple things we have on right now is our short of gold. We're looking for a 1652 target, and we are still long our natural gas 60.95 target, and Apple's now getting ready for a pullback, and I'll give you that before we go. And we do have a pullback on target down to 145.13. 145.13. So watch and see if this Apple pulls back to 145.13. And that is going to wrap it up for the day. So everybody have a good day. Be safe. Good volatility. So definitely a good time to be taking advantage of this volatility in the market. We thrive on volatility because we are very short-term traders. We usually don't hold a trade longer than 5 minutes unless we're in our daily setups. So be careful, and we'll see everybody hopefully first thing tomorrow morning. If you like these videos, once again, support the channel by subscribing. Give me the thumbs up, and be sure you hit that notification bell so we can keep you updated on any new videos. All right, y'all have a good day. See you tomorrow.